Hello, I'm back. As you can tell, we're in like pristine HD, so you can actually see how bad my skin is now, which is good and bad. You know, higher quality videos, but like lower quality self-esteem. So just be kind with your comments. We all have issues, mine are my pores. But today, I'm doing something very exciting and delayed. I hurried home today to find this, the Morphe James Charles palette, sitting at my front door awaiting my touch, basically. So I haven't opened this, like I literally, it's been killing me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Comes in bubble wrap. Oh, sorry if I'm looking at the like viewfinder. I literally haven't seen this palette before. Oh, it's so pretty. So you open it up. Here are the names on the little plastic sheet. Oh, that's cute. So it says unleash your inner artist up here in like the glossy black text, and this is the palette. I really have been wanting to use this shade, like this shimmery purple. Yeah, I'm gonna pick out a look and then I'll do the eyes for you, tell you guys what I think, so kind of like a review, first impressions, and then I'm gonna do like the rest of my face off camera, and we'll come back and tell you how everything turned out. So if you want to see me try the James Charles Morphe palette and see my thoughts on it like 3 months after it came out, yeah, just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so I just finished my brows off of camera and now I'm going to go ahead and get started with the eyes. I'm not completely sure what kind of look I want to do yet. I'm thinking pinks, purples, but I also just did pinks and purples, so I might do blue and purple, or maybe just blue, and then I'm like, okay, well I want to do green, and like there's just too many looks that I want to do with this palette. So I'm struggling a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do blue. Just go for it. I haven't done a ton of blue looks. Oh, but I just did a blue look. Okay, we're doing green. Screw it. Starting out, I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Morphe E17. This is kind of darker green, kind of foresty. Oh my god, I love autofocus. Oh my god. We're gonna go in now. I'm just patting this into my crease directly, trying not to take it too high. Wow, this is pigmented. I'm going to be doing the technique that I did in my last video, so if you want more in-depth directions, then just kind of watch that one. And I'll link it like up here where the eye is. Because I'm like not a YouTuber. I just make videos once every couple months and then get upset when my channel doesn't grow. Alright, so that's what we have thus far. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to go in with the Social Blade, that lighter green right next to it. I'm going to go right on top, just kind of wiggling it. I feel like this one isn't as pigmented. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that green. I like where that's at, so now I'm going to take a bigger, fluffier brush. I'm going to take this one. This is the Morphe R39. I'm going to take the yellow in the palette right here. I'm going to take that on this brush, tap off most of it, and I'm literally just going to like pat around the edges of that green because I just want like a slight yellow halo around it to make it more of like a lime green. That's all. It's looking pretty good, so I think I'm ready to cut the crease. I'm going to take my Urban Decay flat brush again and my Tarte Shape Tape. Alright, look at her go. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my tiny little guy here with the lighter green. So I think I'm gonna go in with right here. That is the color Guac. I'm gonna take this like flat brush. I don't know where it's from. It's so old. I'm gonna take that dry on the brush because I have like that tacky concealer. I'm just gonna pat that on. I finished packing on that green color and now I'm gonna try going into the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna go with this color. It's called Glowing and it's kind of the same color but it looks a tad lighter. So I'm hoping that it will do what I want. I'm gonna go back to the James Charles palette and I'm gonna go in with the color So Good right here. Just like a gold color. I'm gonna pack that on the inner part. This is so hard with nails. This is the longest I've gotten my nails. I think I'm gonna do my face makeup and then come back, collect my thoughts. I'll see you soon. Alright you guys, so I'm almost done with my face and I think I'm gonna finish up my lower lash line now. Zach just got home from work, so I think I'm gonna go in with purple on the lower lash line just because I want to use as many colors as I can from the palette. Go in with this color right there. I'm just taking that on a pencil brush. I'm gonna run that on there. This is like giving me Ninja Turtle Barney vibes. Okay, I like that. So now I'm going to take this fluffy brush that I used to like take the yellow around the edges and I'm going to take this hot pink color. It's like literally Barbie. Alright, so I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, finish up the rest of my face, do some lips. Oh wait, I'm going to do highlight for you guys because I want to use the palette's highlight. Because I think that's like the highlight color that he recommends. Okay, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, it's not too dark. Like, do you guys see that? That's so pretty. I'm gonna take it on my nose. That's so cute. I think that's all, and then I'm gonna finish everything up and I'll be back in like 1 second, okay? Alright you guys, so I put on some lashes, mascara, put my lips on, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? As far as the palette goes, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed in some of the shades. I don't know, like overall I love it. There's just part of me that is a little bit disappointed. Like I swatched some of these and like this purple one, I blended like another color on top of it and it kind of just disappeared. I'm definitely going to play with it more because I love these colors and there's so much variety here. But I don't know why, I'm just like disappointed a little bit because everybody's been hyping it up so much and I've waited so long. But I really did love like how this look turned out. It's super pretty and vibrant, and this is a pretty inexpensive palette at the end of the day. Amazing quality for what you're paying for it, at least. Overall, I really like this palette. I'm gonna keep using it and keep you guys updated. So if you want to see any other looks or like specific colors that you want me to use, just let me know. Comment down below. I would love to try it out some more. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll put my username right here, but I'm probably going to be doing more looks, like not filming them, just like taking pictures and putting them on there, so you guys can stay tuned to that. I think that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of different video. I've never really done a review. I don't know if that's even what you would call this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, maybe found it insightful. I'm sorry it's a little late, like it's been out of stock for months, so couldn't really do anything about that. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.